Hello viewers, today we want to discuss simple exponential equation. Now in this chapter, we're going to be looking at only simple exponential equation. But in the part 2 of this series, we'll be discussing complex exponential equations. Now this equation I have on the board is a simple exponential equation. And when we are to solve this, it is very simple, just as the topic says. We have 3 raised to power x, which makes it a simple equation, a simple exponential equation. The x is the exponent, and this x is the variable. Now, when you have a variable as an exponent, it makes it an exponential equation. Now, to solve this question, we have the steps here. Step 1. Now, this is the summary of all steps in simple exponential equation. And step 1 says identify a common base. What does that mean? To identify a common base, it simply means a base which can be used to express these numbers. 81, for example, can be expressed to a base of 3. How? 3 raised to power something can give you 81, which is 3 raised to power 4. Now, when we solve 3 raised to power 4 for 81, both of them will be expressed to a base of 3, which is 3 raised to power x will be equal to 3 raised to power 4. After that, we've done step 1. Now, step 2 says divide by the common base. Now, the common base is 3, and it says divide, which we can simply do 3 cancels 3, and we are left with x equals to 4. And that is how you solve a simple exponential equation. Thank you for watching.